Now please see the next question. People who have attended the first session on mixtures will understand it so easily and beautifully, sir. See here. 3 vessels whose capacities are as 1:3:5 are completely filled with milk mixed with water. That means the 3 vessels should be mixed in the ratio 1:3:5. 3 vessels should be mixed in the ratio 1:3:5. That is the meaning of this statement. The ratio of milk to water in the mixture of vessels are 9:1, 2:3 and 4:5 respectively. Milk and water ratio is 9:1, 2:3 and 4:5 respectively. Your question is, find the percentage of water in the new mixture obtained. Find the percentage of water in the new mixture obtained when 66.66% of first, 83.33% of second and 70% of third vessel is taken out and mixed together. That means they are saying that it is also mixed in the ratio of 66.66%. These are all some things which I have taken in my first session on mixtures. 66.66%, which is nothing but 2 by 3. 83.33%, it is nothing but 5 by 6. 70% is nothing but 7 by 10. Now, can I say that instead of telling you directly that the 3 mixtures are mixed in the ratio of 2 by 3 to 5 by 6 to 7 by 10, they are giving it a different way of statement, saying as when 66.66 of first, 83.33 of second and 70% of third vessel is taken out and mixed together. This is something which I explained with so many questions in my first session on mixtures. I believe it is clear. Now see here, can I say that milk and water, milk initially is 9, water is 1, but that means totally it is 10 as of now. It is 2 plus 3 in second vessel, it is 5. It is 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 in third vessel, it is nothing but 9. Can I say that first thing that I want to do is, instead of multiplying, that means the question says 3 vessels are mixed in this ratio of 1:3:5. They are also again mixed in the ratio of 2 by 3 to 5 by 6 to 7 by 10. In simple language, first let us convert everything to be 1:1 ratio. First let us convert everything to be 1:1 ratio. How will you make it as 1:1? 10, 5 and 9. 10, 5 and 9. They should be made as 1:1. That means LCM, 10, 5 and 9, all the 3 numbers should be made as the same number. That same number is nothing but LCM. LCM of 10, 5 and 9, it is 90. 10 should become 90, multiply by 9. 5 should become 90, multiply by 18. 9 should become 90, multiply by 10. Now, this will make it as an equal ratio. But question says it should not be equal ratio. It should be in the ratio 1:3:5. So, multiply these values with 1, 3 and 5. Question also says it should not only be in the ratio mixed in the ratio of 1:3:5, it should also be mixed in the ratio 2 by 3 to 5 by 6 to 7 by 10. Multiply that also. So many problems we have solved today morning using the same concept, sir. If I simplify further, this 10 will cancel with this 10. This 10 will cancel with this 10. Right? Then 6 into 1, 6 into 3. They will cancel. 3 into 1, 3 into 3. They will cancel again. What else can I cancel in this ratio? I cannot cancel anything else. What is the question, sir? Find the percentage of water in the new mixture. Find the percentage of water in the new mixture. That means out of total new mixture that I am getting, how much is water I need to find? Water divided by total percentage I need to find. Water is nothing but the second parameter. This 1 should be multiplied with 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 6 is 6 plus this 3 should be multiplied with 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5 is 45. What is 45 into 3? It is 135. Similarly, water in the third vessel is 5. 5 should be multiplied with 5 into 7, 35. 35 into 5 is 175. This is nothing but water quantity. What is the total quantity? Total is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. So second vessel is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 multiplied by 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5 is 45. 5 into 45 is 225. Third value of total is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 multiplied by 35. It is 315. So this is nothing but, if I simplify, 316 divided by 600. By 100 is nothing but percentage. 316 divided by 6. If I find the value, I will get it as 52.66%. The concentration or the percentage of water in my new mixture is 52.66%.